Hello, everyone. Welcome to King English class.
Today we will explore and learn the names of the planets. Let's travel into space, learn about Mercury, Venus, Earth, and many other planets. Let's get started.
Mercury. Mercury.
Mercury is the smallest planet.
Mercury. Venus. Venus.
Venus is very hot.
Venus. Earth. Earth.
We live on Earth.
Earth. Mars. Mars.
Mars is called the red planet.
Mars. Jupiter. Jupiter.
Jupiter is the biggest planet.
Jupiter.
Saturn. Saturn. Saturn has beautiful rings. Saturn.
Uranus. Uranus.
Uranus looks blue and green.
Uranus. Neptune. Neptune.
Neptune is very far from the sun.
Neptune. Pluto. Pluto.
Pluto is a dwarf planet.
Pluto.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.